So if you're familiar with my channel, you know that I'm a big fan of Mopar products and I love Ram trucks. I was happy to find out recently that Ram 1500s, 2500s, and 3500s are now available for order for the 22 model year. Production is expected to kick off sometime in October. I mentioned in my last video that Detroit Z01, one of my subscribers, sent me some information from a dealer where he's from, where he pre-ordered his Ram TRX. And I'd already known that there were some features coming to the 22 model Ram 1500s that I would be interested in, but I also have to thank him for sending me some information from the dealer that the dealers were sent. They're trying to consolidate some of their packages to make it easier for customers, so there's not a lot of marketplace confusion on which vehicles are going to get which packages. So I was at my local Dodge dealer talking to Jim, as always, about the upcoming 22 Ram 1500 truck lineup, and he was telling me that now you can build Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 models. You can get your orders in for them, and the build would start sometime in the next month or so. We didn't get into a lot of detail, but one of the features he had mentioned that you could add to the 22 model year is the UConnect 5. Now, I love the UConnect 5. The only 21 vehicle that you could get UConnect 5 in was the Durango. We have it in the Durango SRT, and we had it in the Durango Hellcat. It is becoming available for the 22 truck lineup, and that includes the Ram trucks with the 12.9-inch display. So you're going to have that big display with the UConnect 5, which I absolutely love. As I was saying before, one of my subscribers, Detroit Z01, sent me some information that he had received from his dealer where Dodge is making an effort to make the packages simpler for customers, so that there's not so much confusion in the marketplace when it comes to what comes in this package and what comes in this package. And it's some of the stuff is pretty nice that they would consolidate those packages down to where if you want to build your own truck, you don't have to select this, this, and this. You can basically go to the lot and buy one that's pre-built. You don't have to wait for a build to come in, and it's much simpler for the consumers. So I'll go over that list right now. The 22 Ram 1500 Tradesman Eco Diesel is limited to the HFE models only. The 22 Ram 1500 Laramie and Rebel are offered exclusively in crew cab, which means they're not making any more quad cab for the Ram 1500 Rebel and Laramie. I'm assuming you can still get the quad cab in the Bighorns and the Tradesman models. Rear underseat compartment storage is no longer a standalone option. It's now included in Bighorn Level 1, 2, and Laramie Level 1. The dual pane sunroof is now the only available sunroof. There's no longer going to be any single pane sunroofs. Mountain brown and frost beige will no longer be offered on the Bighorn trim. I'm assuming that's the interior. That mountain brown is hideous. That peanut butter looking interior, I really don't like that. That's an opinion. That's just my opinion. TRX Level 2 now includes the heads-up display, the digital rear-view mirror, and Harman Kardon speakers. That's awesome. I definitely recommend getting the Harman Kardon package. I've always wanted to get one with the heads-up display and the digital rear-view mirror. I talked about that in my TRX 2022 video. And the advanced safety group is no longer available on the limited. There's no explanation for why that's not available on the limited. These changes are all for the 22 year model year 1500. I want to go more in depth on why I'm happy about the UConnect 5 becoming available for 22 model years and more vehicles. I'm hoping that they put it in the Challenger and the Charger. You want to talk about me debating whether or not I want to get rid of my Charger and get something else. You let me find out that the UConnect 5 is available in the Challenger, and that's game, set, match. I love the UConnect feature. When I'm in my car, I'm still working basically. The UConnect controls your music, your podcast, your text messages, your phone. You can use Waze or Google Maps. Pretty much anything you want to do with your phone while you're driving without taking your eyes off the road. You press a button on your steering wheel, use your voice to control your vehicle. I absolutely love that. You control, it's just a cool feature to have, and it's a necessity for somebody like me who's either at work or on the road, and even when I'm on the road, I'm still working. So I absolutely love that. I look forward to see what else Dodge, Ram, Stellantis, whatever you want to call them, has in store for the 22 model years. But yes, if you're looking for a 1500, a 2500, or a 3500, you can now place your order with your local Dodge dealer. Production is scheduled to start sometime in October, and it's looking like the first trucks will roll off the line, will roll on the lot sometime this fall, early winter. And if you find this video informative, if you like the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell so you get notified for all the videos. Again, I appreciate you guys watching, and y'all take it easy.